Hello.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. Let me introduce myself. I am Monet Elnes Naya, 45 years old, from Philippines, Bohol. I live in Porok dos Tinago, Dawes, Bohol. I have a one only son. He is already 24 years old. I am a single mom. I have experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. I served 6 members in the family, 2 adults, and the ages of the children we have 21 years old, 18 years old, 12 years old, and 9 years old. My job and responsibilities are I'm doing cooking, I'm cleaning the house, I'm ironing the clothes, I wash the dishes. Then I finish my contract. I do my job very well. So my second experience in Hong Kong, I served 3 members in the family, only sir and madam and the baby. I doing my job. I cleaning the house. I'm cooking. Then I cook food, mostly steam, chicken steam, fish steam, and they have also vegetables like choy sam. So I taking also the newborn baby. Then before the madam leaving in the house, madam asked me to taking care of the baby because madam seven in the morning leaving in the going to the work. So I handle the everything I need to do my job. So while the baby is sleeping, I do my job continue. So my madam is so happy and lucky with me because madam see me that I love the kids. So that's all, mom and madam. So,
Thank you. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
because I need to earn a lot of money. Someday I want to build my own business, small business.
Mm. How long do you expect to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long as my employer is need me my job, I work.
Okay. Do you love kids?
Yes, I love.
Can taking care of the newborn baby and share one with them?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you.
you're welcome.